Noblelift Group has dedicated 25 years to the industry, evolving from equipment manufacturing to system integration, and transitioning from a single product focus to a comprehensive industrial ecosystem. Noblelift has emerged as an industry leader with a global perspective. As the first company in China to offer a complete solution encompassing material handling equipment, mobile elevating work platforms, advanced conveying and sorting systems, AGV and its systems, supply chain integration software, intelligent automated warehousing and on-site logistics solutions. With its advanced research and manufacturing capabilities, Noblelift Group consistently broadens its business horizons. In the development journey of the mobile elevated work, in 2022, Noblelift Malaysia factory achieved large-scale production of mobile elevated work platforms, marking another milestone in Noblelift globalization strategy. Relying on a localized production and service system, we respond to global market demands with higher efficiency. Originated from Noblelift and built with ingenuity, strictly controlled from design to production, Noblelift mobile elevating work platforms accurately covers the mainstream working height, redefines high-altitude efficiency with all-round performance, and wins the favor of customers with safe and reliable quality. With 25 years of customization experience in the material handling industry, we can easily meet the customized needs of customers in the field of mobile elevated work. Its scissor lifts and articulated boom, MEWPs, have their own advantages and are suitable for different scenarios. Its sales network covers Europe, America, South Korea, Southeast Asia, and other regions, and is moving towards a broader global stage with excellent strength. Through the collaborative integration of two main business segments, material handling and mobile elevated work platforms, Noblelift Group has built an intelligent connected vehicle management solution for users centered around data-driven industrial internet, helping manufacturing enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency with industry-leading integration levels. Noblelift Group builds end-to-end capabilities, aiming to lead as a global partner for intelligent intralogistics solutions across all fields. Forge a century-old Noblelift championing global efficiency.